And one person who won't be missing those festivities is Sean Horgan. The member of the Monarchist League of Canada is leading a tour of about 40 Canadians through the celebrations. He joins us now live from London to share his experiences. Sean, you've been there since Friday?
I've been here since Friday, that's right.
All right, how's your weekend been?
Busy, a bit of rain, a lot of running around, and it's been a lot of fun, actually. It's been really quite incredible.
How has it been managing through the crowds?
Well, you have to be smart, and you have to know where you want to go and not be there just sort of wandering around. But I have to say that actually yesterday was the Thames pageant, and it was one of the nicest things I've been a part of. It was exciting, but at the same time, the crowd was walking around. Nobody was getting in anybody's way, and there was such a sense of communal festivity. It was really incredible.
And the rain didn't put a damper on anything?
Well, I'm sure it would have been a lot nicer if there had been beautiful sun, but no, it didn't dampen anybody's spirits, that's for sure.
Okay, and you were at that the big lunch at the Canada House yesterday, and the Governor General was there.
Yeah, the Governor General showed up, which I hadn't been led to believe would be the case, and so that was a wonderful surprise.
Which event has been the best for you?
Well, for me, actually, I thought the lunch was just wonderful. I mean, I met so many Canadians who I've never met before in my entire life, and yet I met them here in London. We were celebrating the Crown, we were celebrating the Queen, and we were doing it in the presence of the Governor General. It was exactly what the monarchy exists to do. It brings people together, and it succeeded magnificently. I got to meet the Governor General, and he was incredibly lovely. He knew more about the places I've been in Canada than I ever will know, and he's kind of like your uncle or your grandfather. He's just a great guy.
And, you know, just even as an outsider here in Canada, you think about these events, and they're once-in-a-lifetime celebrations. Do you feel that when you're experiencing them?
Yeah, I mean, certainly that Thames pageant, I thought, this hasn't happened in hundreds of years now, and likely won't happen again in hundreds of years. So it definitely is a once-in-a-lifetime thing. And yeah, the Canada lunch, I mean, I'm sure I won't see something like that for a while either.
Okay, and then there's the procession tomorrow. So how are you going to maneuver to get a good spot there?
Well, it all starts in the wee hours of the morning and trying to get to some place near St. Paul's. Our idea is if we get to St. Paul's and it's too crowded there, we're just going to walk the procession route for as long as we have to until we can find some area we can elbow in politely as possible and hope for a spot where we can see the royal family.
Right, because you are wearing a Canada T-shirt, so you got to be polite.
I am, actually. This is going to go with me tomorrow. I hope to have this and as many Canadian flags as possible to let the Queen know that the Canadian presence is there.
Are you being received well when you tell people you're Canadian?
Absolutely. Normally, after the time that I've explained that I am not actually American, they become really interested in the fact that I'm there. And most of them know that we share a common actor playing the part of head of state, so they're really quite intrigued by the fact that so many Canadians are here.
And why do you think it's important for Canadians to be there?
Well, I mean, I've tried to explain to people that the Queen has come to Canada more often than she's been to any country other than Great Britain, where, of course, she lives. And it makes sense that in this year, when she opted to stay in Great Britain for a wide variety of reasons, many Canadians will return the favor that she's paid us so often and come to her in order to say thank you.
Well, Sean, we appreciate you coming and speaking with us. Enjoy the rest of your visit.
Well, thank you very much.
That's Sean Horgan of the Monarchist League of Canada joining us from London.